Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete a payment in QuickBooks Online. Before we start, a quick note. Deleting a payment permanently removes it from your books and can affect customer balances, open invoices, and reconciliations. Make sure you have the proper permissions and that deleting is the right action for your workflow. Begin by signing in to QuickBooks Online and heading to your main dashboard. Move your cursor to the app switcher, which appears as a grid of 9 dots or may be labeled All Apps. From there, open the Customer Hub. This area brings together customer lists and related activities so you can quickly find the payment you intend to remove. Inside the Customer Hub, select customers to view your customer list and recent transactions. Locate the payment you want to delete. You can scroll the list or use search and filters by customer name, date, or amount to narrow it down. Click the payment to open its details. If you are first taken to the customer's profile or transaction list, select the same payment again to drill into the specific record you need. When the payment details are in view, choose View/Edit to open the full transaction window. Depending on how the payment was recorded, you may land on a payment screen or a bank deposit that includes this payment. If it's part of a deposit, be aware that removing it will change that deposit and can return linked items to undeposited funds or impact reconciliation. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the exact payment you want to remove. At the bottom of the transaction window, select More to reveal additional actions. Choose Delete. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm, since this action cannot be undone from the transaction itself. Select Delete Transaction to finalize. The payment is now removed. Any invoices that were marked paid by this payment will reopen as unpaid or partially paid, and customer balances will update accordingly. After deleting, it's a good practice to review the customer's open invoices and, if you reconcile regularly, check your next reconciliation for any changes. If you need a record of what was removed, the audit log will show who deleted the payment and when. And if your goal is to keep a trail but zero out an amount, consider voiding in similar situations next time rather than deleting, as voiding preserves a reference in your books. That's it. You've successfully deleted a payment in QuickBooks Online while keeping your records clear and accurate.